Hi, I'm Chandler here with Chef Adam Hegsted from Crave TV, and today he's going to show us his Yoke's Fresh Market tip of the week.
Okay, so this is a little trick I like to use because brown rice sometimes comes out a little chewy. So I'll soak it overnight. And so it becomes a lot more fluffy. I get a lot more of the water soaking into it.
Okay.
So really this all I did is just add a little water, I soak it overnight, and we'll strain it out.
Okay. How come you don't just cook it in that water?
Because this has it's soaked up with it's gotten all that starch off the outside of the rice, and I don't really want to get that. I want my individual grains to be nice and fluffy. 1 cup of rice to 2 cups of water, and I'll just throw a cover on this, let it cook for about 20 to 30 minutes until the rice is nice and fluffy. Turn off the heat and let the steam sort of finish the cooking, and then we have beautiful brown rice.
Perfect. So much better than microwave rice. I never make that, no way. Alrighty, well thanks for joining. Don't forget to watch Weekends on Fox 28 for Crave TV.